Hello. Hello. So guys,
Yeah, you see me down, but you know I'll never drown. You know I'll get back up on it somehow. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling. My walls are caving in. Heaven help, I can see my ghost on the ceiling. Let me breathe again, 'cause I just wanna live my life. I'm never backing down. I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right. I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Fight the good fight.
so guys, welcome to the live stream, and we are starting again from the 1000 drum. I will start with the 2-minute duration, as you can see here now. Let me change every time it. I don't know why, but the language is always changed. But it's okay. I will figure it out, and that's all. This is it. Don't worry, everything is looks like white, like a glitch, but it's not a glitch. So guys, let me zoom the screen so everyone can understand. You can see by your clear eyes. So right now is a composite index which is forming on the same direction. So I'm just waiting for the newcomers, those who are coming here. Then we will make the further trades. As you can see here, before this it was moving like in just upward direction, and now it's moving in direction on the straight. We are using here only simplest way, just only Japanese candlesticks, and with the combination of the momentum lines of the oscillator. So guys, it's very simple. You can write your comments if you have any questions, because in the last stream when I came here, I told everyone, those who will be join it, like they can just write in the comment chat, so they will get every answers of their questions. So guys, what do you think? We can make the trade right now? Well guys, the first trade I make it, and I will show you how it work and where I make the first trade on the downward. As you can see, it's coming back again on the profitable direction. You can see by your own eyes. So guys, have you any questions? Because you can see here now it was moving right now in the upward direction, but why it's not moving to the downward? Because you can see the Japanese candlesticks are right now moving in the upward direction with the bullish candlestick forming here. So this is going to be first loss. But here if we look on the momentum lines, so you can see momentum lines are still moving to the downward direction here. Like these are the momentum lines which are moving right now in the downward direction. So we can wait for 40 seconds, and after that we can make the further trade. But on the Asia Composite Index, it's gradually upward in the upward direction, as you can see. So we can make the further another trade here, but I'm just waiting here. Let me zoom the screen so you can watch it carefully. I hope it's visible for everyone, those who are watching right now here. Guys, if you have any questions, you can just write in the comment chat. Only 8 seconds remaining and it's just moving in the upward direction. It will be more better when it was moving here. We will just make one trade and after that it will be continuous in the upward direction. So 2000 is going to be lost, but only 1000 is lost here. First trade becomes the loss. So now our priority is to recover all the losses, guys. But it is coming right now in the upward direction, as you can see. So guys, see here, one loss of the 1000 dirham, but we are getting back our losses, as you can see by your own eyes. Only 1 minute left and it's still in the profitable direction because it's very far from the trend line. So I don't think that it will come back again to the downside. It will be move further in the upward direction. And only 46 seconds remaining, 45 seconds remaining. Well guys, 42 seconds here, 44 seconds here. Anything can happen here. We can just make the one other trade in the upward direction. So just let's wait for finishing this trade. So we will recover the 910 dirham, which is like approx 1000 dirham. Only 90 dirham we are in the loss, and it can be recoverable at any time with another further trade of the profitable amount. So guys, just stay here and look forward. Look exactly on the screen, as you can see here now. Only 15 seconds remaining. Oh, let's wait. Let's turn to the downside, right? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. It's profit. So guys, we recovered the loss amount. But here it looks like that it is moving in the downward direction, but it's okay. We can take another risk. If it move in the upward direction, then we can profit. If it will move to the downside, then we can get the loss. But here the blue line is still moving, trying to upward, and the yellow line is already in the upward direction. But I am also feeling like that mostly chances is to like it will form in the downward direction, because when you will see a inverted hammer on the top side, then it will try to move in the downward direction. But it's okay, we can wait here now for the 18 seconds or 1 minute 26 seconds.
Cause I've been stuck in the motions, pushing all the buttons and hoping it turns out right. Always pretending I know best, and I'm in control, but I don't know about this time, not this time. Boy, you're playing my heart like an arcade video game, like a past to win.
Well, one mistake is happened, guys. It's okay. I was just checking like it can be moved in the upward or not, but as I noticed some strategies, when you will see like an inverted hammer, the bearish candlestick in the downward direction, then after that it just like try to move in the upward direction. So as you can see here now, guys, it formed in the top level a downward direction, a inverted hammer. After that it just try to move downward for 2-3 minutes, and as you can see here also a upward straight hammer form. So here is the chances that it can turn back again to the upper side, but it will not move here because the graph is moving right now in the downward direction. So it can be like move till here. After that it can try to move in the upward direction. But it's okay, we just lost 1000 again, and we can, this is very silly, we can sir. Guys, don't trust him. Okay, no need to be trust on him. Just trust on this, who is like writing here. Sarath hai sir. It's okay. Everyone say like this when they got the loss. Well, why I am doing the live stream? Because there is only one way, as you can see by your own eyes here. Everything is doing the live, so you can read by your, you can watch it by carefully. Like I just make in front of all of you one trade which went like loss. Okay. After that, the second trade also the 1000 dirham on the Asia Composite Index. So it was like profitable. So we come back like on the neutral amount. There is no loss. There is no profit. After that, the third trade becomes the loss. Okay. We got 1000 loss again and 100 loss there. So 90. So 1090 dirham we are in the loss. Now this is the going fourth trade. Okay, so fourth trade is going and only 17 seconds remaining now. 11 seconds remaining here. So what do you think? It is going to be profit or loss? Well, 8 seconds remaining. Well, it's moving just only in the downward direction, but it's okay. So guys, 2 losses, but now I will increase the amount with the 1000 to 2000. If we will get just only one profit, then it will automatically recover these 2 losses suddenly. So that's the main point. We have to just focus on the stream, so you will not miss any steps from here. Right now, it looks like that it will be move in the further upward direction, but for how much time it will move in the upward direction? Let's see. 30 seconds remaining. After 30 seconds, a new Japanese candlestick will form here. 24 seconds remaining, 22 seconds remaining, 20 seconds remaining, 19 seconds remaining. Well guys, you can also write in the comment chat like this is going to be profitable trade or loss trade if I make it in the upward. You can also write your suggestions like make a down trade. After that I will make one down trade according to your choice. So we can see here it's trying to move in the upward direction. So guys, let's see for how much time it will move in the upward direction. If we got this profitable amount of the 2000 investment, then it will recover the distance, not distance, it will recover 1800. Okay. So guys, everything depend only just on the time duration, which is remaining now 1 minute and 40 seconds. And now it's turned back to the downside, so it still has the less chances that it will go back again to the upward. But it's okay. We will recover all the losses within just single trade. Let's check the another assess. Maybe you are thinking, oh, it's not working here perfectly, so we can move on the another assess like gold. Gold is open now here and it is giving the 1780. It means like percentage rate is only profitable, percentage rate is only just 89%. Well, crypto also like irregular, commodity composite index, maybe it's moving in the one direction. Now it's you can see like it was trying to move downward, but after that suddenly came in the upward and it is now moving in the upward direction. So this is the like Japanese candlestick which has two parts, like mainly the body which is like rectangular shape, and the lines you can see in the Japanese candlestick, these are the wicks, like this is the upper wicks, this is the lower wick. It means that the next Japanese candlestick was formed from here, it reaches till there, but it closed here on the end time. Well, it's coming very far from this trade line, so it doesn't look like that it is moving in the upward direction. We can make the another trade here, but let's wait a little bit. 5, 4, 3. Haji Bilal Malik, why are you always late? Haji Bilal, I am not late, but the thing is that maybe internet connection, as I told you, we are doing the live stream, but the main thing is that when I am speaking, it is you are listening my voice after like 2 minutes maybe, that's why. It happened just because of the internet. Maybe my internet is not working properly, or maybe your internet is not working properly, but I think my internet is working properly, because you can see I am not here like Haji Bilal Malik. 3 candles are huge difference, bro. I will suggest that you don't need to make the trades right now if you are facing the problem of the time gap. how I can solve, how I can fix the internet if the internet is like moving slowly. Just give me one suggestion. Maybe you will say now like you can use the Wi-Fi. So already I'm using the Wi-Fi. Even after using the Wi-Fi, if the time gap is like slow, then nobody can do anything. But this problem is never happen like this. Sometimes it happens due to the weather or environment. You can say. So guys, it's okay. You can just watch the live stream, and after that, when you will feel more comfortable to me. As Bilal Malik, 3 candles are not just a job. Yes, I am agree with you. I am ready to explain you. I already explained. Even I told you, like sometimes we just got the losses because of 0.5 seconds, not even 1 second. But it is the fate. We can't change the fate. We can use the strategies which we know. Like as you can see here, if I focus on the Japanese candlestick and on the momentum line, so it's trying to move downward. We can make downward trade here now, but it is still trying to move in the upward. Like both things are possible here, so we can skip the commodity composite index. We can come back again on the Europe composite index, which is like moving in the upward. Or also we can check the another halal market. Not. What we can make? Well guys, here it's just moving in the downward direction, so I'm just making the 2000 trade on the, oh yes, we done in the downward direction. First of all, we have to give the priority to recover the losses. This Japanese candlestick is very closer to the trade line. As you can see, now it's a loss, okay? Now it's profit. Now it's neutral. Like everything can be possible. We have to wait just for the 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's forming in the downward. That's a great sign for achieving a perfect result of the 2000 dirham. Let's wait. Well guys, this is going to be profit, and it will recover the loss of the 2000 biggest. After that we can again invest the 2000, so it will also recover the 2000. After that we can again invest 1000, so we can come back again in the profitable direction. As you can see here, right now it's just moving in the downward direction, and we have the chance to get one profit exactly after 45 seconds. You can check by your own eyes. So guys, you can see like from the last 1 minute and 25 seconds it was moving perfectly in the favorable condition, but here right now on this end movement only 4 seconds remaining, and it's turning to the upside, and this is going to be lost. So mostly losses. As you can see, Haji Bilal, it's really good that you didn't make any trade, because you can see by your own eyes it's just moving in the suddenly by just last 4 seconds in the upward direction. Before this, it just was moving to the down and down and down. It's okay, we can check the further trade. Guys, we can do two things. Like for recover the big losses, like I can invest here 3000 2 times. But for this I have to be won. I have to be get the result in the profit amount. After that I just can get the, I can recover the amount. So what do you think? What we can do? Only one trade of the 6000 dirham, or two trades of 3000, or we can continue with the 2000, 4 trades we can say, or 3 trades. Europe is trying to move down. Commodity composite index also. Crypto composite index, no. gold. And Asia Composite Index, which was completely moving to the downside, now it suddenly changed in the upward direction, and now it's coming to again downward direction after giving such a loss.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you.
Well, alarm market is not moving perfectly now. It's just moving like very small in the upward direction or in the downward direction.
I've been waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah,
Asia Composite Index is still moving to the downward.
I just wanna feel mine.
And gold one not perfect. Crypto Composite Index also not perfect, but we can try to make on the downward direction, but we will focus more on the Commodity Composite Index, because here both Japanese candlesticks and the lines are moving right now in the upward direction, but the main question is that for how much time they will move in the upward direction, guys. This is the main question.
You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one.
So Commodity Composite Index, I just invested here 2000. Let's see. I think I have to invest only for 1 minute, because in the 2 minutes a lot of things can be changed, or they can turn back again to the another direction. But I still have the hope, so I just make in the upward direction with the 2-minute duration. Guys, what do you think? This is going to be profit or loss? Right now everyone can say like this is going to be profit, but the main thing is that we can get the loss just because of the 0.5 second, not even single second, not even 1 second. Why just 0.5 seconds?
I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah.
Well, it's turned to the downside instead of moving to the upward. Let's see where it will move exactly.
Hey, I could become the one for another one. Hey, maybe then you'll know that I was never one.
Guys, it came very closer to the trade line, as you can see by your own eyes. It's very near to the trade line. Now it came in the profitable direction. Only 30 seconds remaining, and we hope that it will just not move. Just don't turn back to the downside, and it still continues move in the upward direction. As you can see, now it's increasing, only 20 seconds remaining there, but now it's came back again to the downward. Before this it was completely moving in the upward. 11 seconds remaining there, 13 seconds remaining there.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna
So did you see? Again, this was completely profitable, but why? Because of the last 10 seconds it changed everything. It was moving very high, after that come back again to the downside. That's why we can just like make the further another trade. Or we can also wait for the another trades here now, guys.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 also. We count here 0 also because it gives more importance than another number. $55 seconds remaining. $47 seconds remaining. 46 seconds remaining.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I
25 seconds remaining. And this is still moving to the downside finally, but it's trying to be formed in the upward direction. Guys, now it's coming back again to the upward direction, so we can make the further trade, but we have to just look a perfect direction in upward or downside, as you can see right now. Gold one, crypto composite index, commodity composite index are used.
What my heart needed. You stayed with me in the moments I felt most alone.
So guys, let's make without wasting the time.
Without you, I would not be me. Without you, I'd never feel complete. It's the way I know you'll stay with me night and day. It's a lifetime of loving you.
So guys, only 20 minutes left and we have to think about it, like where we can make the next trade in the upward direction. I hope to make it profitable. Well, it will try to reach in the upward direction after the 5 seconds. 2 1.
No fear when I look into your eyes. You're the hero I dreamed of.
Guys, what do you think? This is going to be profitable loss, as you can see right now. It came in the profitable direction, as you can see. I was not kidding about it. But everything depends on our last line, as you can see. Only how much time is remaining? 1 minute 24.
I'm home when you're next to me, and I know that you and I were meant to be. Without you, I could not be me.
Well guys, you still have the 1 minute. If I make this trade with the like 4,000, then it will be like pretty cool. It will recover like gives the profit of approximately 3,560 or 70 around. So it means that it can be profitable, but now it's lost.
Of loving you.
39 seconds. It's trying to go back again in the downward, but we need in the upward direction. Guys, only 15 seconds remaining and it's going to be pretty well. I hope this is not come back to the downside, but it came. Only 8 seconds remaining there. 4, 3, 2, and now it is moving. See, that's why the time is always matters. Now maybe you are feeling so much happy. If I talk about the Sarath, he was saying like no need to trust on him, but it was moving perfectly in the profitable direction. But here now it's not moving in the profitable direction, so we can just like continue to make on the trade only on one direction now. Like one trade we invested on the crypto composite index, second we can make on the Europe, or we can do it here. There's 30 seconds remaining here, 50 seconds remaining here. So let's see who will win. Like this strategy will work or not. It will move to the upward or not. Everything will depend on this Japanese candlestick. If this Japanese candlestick will turn back again to the upper side, then we can get this loss into profit. 40 seconds remaining now. Let's see and let's wait. I think today live stream is very bad because we mostly time just recover and get the profits here. But here the problem is that it's still trying to just move in the downward, and I am here continuously making only upward. One time I tried to make downside and after that I just moved here. Guys, here like only 15 seconds remaining. Okay, it is now moving in the profitable direction, but here it can turn back again to the downside after the 5 seconds of experience. Before this it was completely moving in the profitable. 3, 2. Now what you want to say, like this is my mistake? No, of course not, because a lot of people get the losses just because of the 0.05 seconds. You can see like in the end 2-3 seconds they are changing everything. Before this, otherwise the time remain will not be like for 2-3 seconds. It always give only profits and profits. Well guys, only 20 minutes left and we will finish this live stream. Let's see for in the 20 minutes we can get the profitable amount or not. Let's see halal market, it will move in the upward or downward. For the 2 minutes we have to make again. And I'm now thinking like to just make for the 1 minute duration, because 2 minutes are giving just now only losses, only 2. I'm not talking about another assessed or any another days. Just they are giving very losses because of the time duration. I'm using 2 minutes, but they are giving loss because of just some seconds, like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Well, here we have the chances to like close the trade and make another further trade in the upward direction, as you can see, because it's trying to move to the downside. I will close this surely when it will move till here. I'm just waiting to get in the profitable amount. As you can see now, it's moving again to the downside. We have only 55 seconds. After 55 seconds, it can like turn back again to the profit or loss, anywhere wherever it wants to go. But the main thing is that like right now it's trying very near to the trade line. It can be like profitable trade, as you can see now profit, but always every time just time difference, only 30 seconds. You can see now 25 seconds now coming in the profit, but in the end of the last 2-3 seconds it will change the direction. Mostly time it happens, so now it's like addictive. It's okay, let's wait for the another trade. I'm just checking like today we will get the profit in the profitable amount or not. We can see again from the last 10 seconds it was moving in the profitable direction, it was came in the upward direction, but here now again move to the downside. Well guys, I'm thinking to make one big profit, okay, like big investment. Let me check. See, now it was moving in the upward, now it's trying to move to the downside. And Europe, well, Europe also just moving to the down from continuously here. As you can see now. Let's go through this black hole together. Well, here it's trying to move in the upward direction. Only 50 seconds remaining now. Seconds remaining now. Let's go through this 35 seconds remaining now. Guys, do you want to give and do you want to write any comment like where it will move exactly? Because currently it's just moving in the upward direction again according to this graph, according to the Japanese candlestick with the combination of the momentum lines of oscillator.
Take me back to the place where I belong. Cause it can, I can't do this on my own. Yeah, I know you said this over, but
Well guys, let's wait for the 2 minutes again, and after that I will finish this live stream. But how much time is remaining? Okay, 10 minutes. We are just checking here. 4,000 I invested here because it is like 2 times trade here. So if we got the profit of the 4,000, it can recover the previous 2 losses together and everything will become neutral. But here it's trying to move in the downward direction right now, as you can see, only 10 seconds remaining. Only 15 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. What do you think, guys? It will come back again to the downside or it will move again to the upside? I hope it will cover the distance till here, because after that we can get this profitable amount, otherwise we can't get, and we have the time only 1 minute left.
let's go through this cycle together.
This is the crypto composite index, which was moving irregularly in the downward direction right now, and we invested a lot of amount here. Before this it was just moving in the in the upward direction. "30 seconds we have remaining, 12 seconds we have remaining here, 10 seconds, now it is closer to the trade line, and right now we even can't close the trade, still we have the chance, like now we are unable to form. 10 seconds remaining.
Life can make you sober. I told you thick and thin, 'cause we don't quit. I'm all in.
See, now it's trying to move upward. Well, see, just again 2-3 seconds difference. Again. Today, Olymp Trade is not allowing to make the profits, as I also noticed about it here. But it's okay, it's cool. Sometimes we can get lost, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Europe Composite Index. So Europe, not Europe, halal,
Know that I'm not by your side.
Asia,
Oh,
gold,
Mama said I won't leave. I know we'll
and
make it
Bitcoin.
through this time.
Europe Composite Index.
Don't tell me that it's over. We could start again. Life can make you sober. I told you thick and thin, 'cause we don't quit. I'm all in. Just don't fade out.
Gold, gold,
'Cause
gold.
I'm here now. If you need escape, we'll find our way. Just don't look down, 'cause I'm here now. I'm here now.
Guys, like all how we can say, all Japanese candlesticks are moving very irregularly. You can see, like, we can look anywhere, but they are not moving perfectly. Up, down, so we can skip here and we can further move on the another step. Like here it look like that it's trying to move downside, but it still have the chances that it can turn back again to the upside. Well, the halal market is also moving like irregular. But now here it's trying to move to the downside. So we can make a last trade on the downward, or we can just like we can just relax. Well, here it looks like that it is again trying to move in the downward, right? But also trying to move in the upward direction. Where it will move exactly, we will get this information only after focus on this. 33 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. Asia Composite Index. 22 seconds remaining. 13 seconds remaining. Well, it's forming the upward direction, but here now it's again trying to move in the downward direction.
When the trees don't dance and the breeze no more, don't forget to see. Keep your body next to me, baby. Know you're safe with me when the storms of us start pouring and you've got a lot to lose. My heart will keep on falling for you. I'll carry on and take the weight for you. When the storms of us start pouring and you got a lot to lose, my heart will keep on falling for you. I'll carry on and take the weight for you. I'll take the weight for you. I'll take the weight for you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what
So guys, you can see it was coming to the downward, but here now it's coming in the upward.
Tell me what must I do?
Europe, and now it was moving upward, now it's moving downward.
Mine. It's right
Commodity Composite Index, now we can check the
right now.
Asia Composite Index, halal market we can check now.
Tell me what must
Halal is also like now unpredictable, as you can see. Let's move the gold one. Well, gold is trying to move in the upward direction, as you can see. So we can make a last trade in the upward direction. Just wait.
You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you.
So guys, let's make a last trade in the 2-minute duration, okay?
Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do?
Well, it's coming to the down.
You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right.
Let's wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Why are
3,
you
2, 1.
hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right. Right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
So guys, the live stream is going to finish now, and this is the last trade of today's stream. After that, there is no need to be think about it too much, but we will surely come back again on the next live stream. And as you can see here now, I invested again 4,000 dirham, but let's hope this will move to the downward or upward. We have only like 2 minutes, even now just only 1 minute 30 seconds, and after that this Japanese candlestick and this trade is going to be finished. It's trying to move right now in the upward direction, but here it is moving in the upward direction right now. Well, now it's turned back again to the upside. Let's wait for the best hope. Wow, wow, wow. See, it was moving perfectly in the upward direction. As I noticed one thing. Before in the starting, we just making in the like upward. It was like giving the loss. When I just make it downward, it's just giving the loss. So today, no need to make any trades here now. Because at this time, because it's not moving perfectly. See by your own eyes, it's just giving the losses on that. Well guys, see you soon again on the next live stream. See, it was again came till here, but again just because of the 3 seconds it just become the loss. So I think today is doing by their portion. Okay guys, it's okay. We will see further again on the next live stream.